Om Ganpataye Nama. Now, dear friends, today I am going to tell you about something regarding the Sarvato Bhadra Chakra. It is a unique and accurate concept of prediction of transit of planets. Now, in Sarvato Chakra, it consists of five elements. One is the Panchalaka. Now, the Sarvadro Chakra is consists of 9 by 9 matrix. In chess, we got a 8 by 8 matrix, total 64 squares, whereas in the Sarvadro Chakra, there are 81 squares, 9 by 9. Now, it consists of Panchalaka. Now, Panchalaka means one is Nakshatra, second one is Rashi, third one is Tithi, then day, consonants, and vowel. Now, this Panchalaka depends on the birth star, birth sign, birth tithi and day, birth consonants, and fifth one is birth vowel. Now, from this Panchalaka, we make a natal horoscope on Sarbhadro Chakra. We mark the planetary position in the nakshatra as well as in the pada in the Sarbhadro Chakra. Now, second important factor are transit of planet, which acts like Dasha system for Sarbhadro Chakra. Now, as far as planet moves from one nakshatra to second nakshatra, it will give impact on some particular nakshatra and other Panchalaka. Now, third, the concept of prediction is Veda, or one can say aspects for the Sarbhadro Chakra. Now, there are three sorts of Veda. First one is front Veda. Now, it is giving on just opposite nakshatra only. The nakshatra, or we can say the transit planet, if just opposite to the planet to the natal chart, then it is the front Veda. Similarly, second one is the right Veda, on the right direction. It is given by retrograde planet on all Panchalaka placed on right side. Now later on I will show you the Veda, how we can analyze accordingly. Now third one is the left Veda. It is given by fast moving planets on all Panchalaka planet placed in left side. Now Veda is key factor to decide the results. Now the basic principle regarding this is natural beneficial planets give good Veda. The result is auspicious, whereas the natural malefic planet will give harmful Veda. So the basic concept is, if the malefic planet having a Veda on the planet that is placed in the natal chart, we get a unfavorable result. Now, as I already told you that Sarbhadro Chakra is constituted with 81 squares, that calls 81 Vargas. Now 12 signs, generally we consider 27 nakshatra and we ignore the Abhijit nakshatra. But in the Sarbhato Bhadra Chakra, we take 28 nakshatra. Means here we include the Abhijit nakshatra also. Now we also include here the 5 tithis, that are Nanda, Bhadra, Jaya, Rikta and Purnima. And days is also in this Varga. Now another point is 16 vowels are also included and 20 consonants according to the birthday, birth date. Now the question comes out, how to decide it. Now as I already told you that as from the date of birth, one can easily know the sign and nakshatra, also the pada and tithi and the day of the birth of the native. Now from nakshatra pad, one can know the first letter. Remember, always consider first letter from nakshatra pad, not from the regular name of the native. Now here the importance is the nakshatra pad. Once we can know the nakshatra pad, one can easily know the vowel also and consonant of the native. Now, if you have your Panchalaka is ready, which is the most necessary things for Sarvato Bhadra Chakra. Now, the another part is the Panchalaka, which is very important in Sarvato Chakra. As we know that all words constitute from 5 elements. In the same way, Panchalaka is correlated with 5 elements. Now, every person has unique name. We can say vowels and consonants. Birth sign, birth nakshatra, birth day, or var, or tithi. Now, I will try to explain this relationship with 5 elements of nature. Now, we can correlate the birth sign with water elements. It are too much sensitive. It may be reacts quickly over any form of changes. It is generally correlated with success and obstacles. Now, birth nakshatra is correlated with fire also, Fire is indicating the transformation. Now, nakshatra level change of planet may be indicating some sorts of transformation is going around us. Now, even for more deeper thinking, one can check with Pada, change of nakshatra, which is correlated with Navamsha and change of planet. Now, birth nakshatra is correlated with our mind and changes going around us. Now, Tithi is also related with earth elements on which we are standing, our status, our health, and internal fear. If transit planet is impacting our Tithi, our status on which we are standing is on the danger mode. Especially if lunar birth Tithi has some major change regarding any Anishtkarak planet is changing, then that month you can suffering. If one yearly lunar Tithi has some sort of major evil change, then one can in stress for whole year. In Sarbato Chakra, Tithi is basically indicating fear, happiness, and danger around ourselves. Now we can correlate vowels with Akash Tattva or sky elements. It represents success, achievements. Now mostly we see many times that our numerologist change our popular name with adding some vowel. Then person may continuously start rising. In the same way, vowel of our horoscope name may have some influence due to different planets of transit which may cause issues to our achievements. Now another impact of sky elements on our health. Akash is everywhere in world, so it is the very most important factor. Now consonant or Vyanjan is correlated with air. Air related to flow. The first thing in our mind is cash flow. Cash flow is related with this. Another is flow of oxygen. So health and death is very related to this. Now vowel is the way of exist of our pran. That consonant is the medium of exist. Both are together making the words. Impact of word is very useful. Now mantra shakti is correlated with this. Anyway, the transit planets can give some impacts on these words which we can observe on the impact of our life. Especially consonant is related with our financial status. Now in Sarbadro Chakra, Veda is working like aspects. Now there is very clear rules in Sarbadro Chakra. Natural beneficial planet gives Shubh or good Veda. And on the other hand, natural malefic planet Ashubh or harmful Veda. Veda may be in three ways. I already explained front Veda, left Veda, right Veda. Now here left or right Veda may be more powerful in comparison of front direction. Or we can analyze that planet with fast or retrograde motion can give more impact on native. Now the main thing is that how to decide speed of planet and Veda. Now we can divide this in three categories. Planet, those who have fixed speed, such as Sun, Moon, Rahu and Ketu. Sun and Moon never retrograde and Rahu and Ketu always retrograde. Now they are giving Veda in all three directions. Means left, front and right Veda. Now remaining all five planets has variable speed because they retrograde, and when during retrogression their speed varies, and then again when they direct their speed again increases. So when their speed is fast, then they give left Veda. When normal speed, then gives front Veda. When they have retro speed, then gives right Veda. In this five planet, two planets Venus and Mercury are situated in internal orbit of the Earth. So then they does not move more than 3 houses away from Sun, either in forward or backward of Sun, as we all know. Now there is simple rule. It is not necessarily always true that one can check with Panchang also regarding speed of the planet. Now possibility may be either Venus or Mercury is third or 11th from Sun. Now possibility may be either Venus or Mercury is third or 11th from Sun. In this case, speed of Venus and Mercury is normal. Now possible Venus and Mercury may be 12th from Sun. In that case, fast speed can be possible. Now possible Venus and Mercury in first house, then retrograde or fast is possible. Now possible Venus and Mercury in second from Sun, then retrograde motion is possible. Now planet who is placed in outer orbit of Earth such as Mars, Jupiter and Saturn, they may be placed anywhere in chart when the 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th and 2nd from Sun, they have a fast motion generally we have seen. Now when 3rd house from Sun, then normal speed, and when 4th house from Sun, then they have a slower speed. Now from 5th to 8th from Sun, retrograde motion may be possible. But here I want to tell you that one can look planet speed on Panchang or practice it on. Now the various softwares are also available which can give you the speeds of the planet. Now about retrograde motion, one can easily know through any software available, and also one can see from the Panchang also. Now let's take what is the impact of Veda on planet. First, one should always keep in mind in Sarvado Chakra that natural beneficial planet will give beneficial Veda and natural malefic planet will give malefic Veda. Now Jupiter, Venus and Shukla Paksh moon, then Mercury, if it is associated with a natural benefic planet, will always give Shubh or beneficial Veda. If we consider Sun, Mars, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu, these planets will give Ashubh or malefic Veda. Now, what is the impact of Veda? Now, this Veda is only applicable regarding Panchalaka, and this Panchalaka is correlated with the birth nakshatra. Now, let's consider first the Sun Veda. Sun is a fire element and Karak of government, ego and health. So, when Sun is giving Veda on Panchalaka, then it may cause issues on health of native. Native may be suffering from fever, anger, stress, tension, unhappiness, ego, misunderstanding, unnecessary fear regarding government and authorities and health. The native may be suffering from dispute with government or administration or from father or from son. He or she may face some sort of issues in his professional life or in her professional life. Some sort of issues regarding parental property is possible. He may be facing issues regarding his efforts or getting success in his work. If same time Veda by another malefic, then heart attack or eyesight issue or stomach issue is also possible. Now next we will consider the Moon Veda. If Moon is beneficial during transit, then result is positive. Otherwise one can obtain a negative result. As per general consideration, any negative or positive results may be triggered in native life when Moon will give Veda on any Panchalaka especially on Nakshatra. Moon Veda is indicating victory over his enemies, success in his work or effort, getting a comfort and comfortable things such as vehicle, ornaments or dress or bed pleasure. All sort of beneficial results and recovery from sickness. Now, above all, good result is possible if moon is beneficial and associated with beneficial planets. Now, if moon is malefic and associated with malefic planet, then suffering from disease, mental stress or sickness, unhappiness, obstacle in his work, separation, negative events, and jail or death or other bad events may happen. Now let's consider the Mars Veda. Now Mars is a fire element and Karka of police, gangsters, brother, land, blood, cuts, accident, and other so many things related with the fire. Now when Mars is giving Veda on Panchalaka, then it is considered malefic for native. Native may suffer from anger and unnecessary tension and stress. Now here, native may be suffering from loss of mental power. He may be suffering from blood pressure or any blood related issues. He may be suffering from sickness, fever, rashes on his skin, tension, and stomach regarding disease due to pith or digestive issues. Some sort of cutting, loss of blood, or accident is also possible. He may be suffering from sickness, fever, skin rashes, tension, and stomach regarding disease due to pith or digestive issues. Some sort of cutting, loss of blood, or accident is possible. Now it may cause dispute with relatives or brother. The native may face financial loss or issues regarding property or some sort of litigation or blaming or even a police case or something may be stolen. He may facing separation from issues with wife or children. Now let's see what the Mercury Veda can offer to us. Now, as we know all that, Mercury may be beneficial or malefic. So, when beneficial, then it is Veda may be Shubh or good. Otherwise, its Veda may be bad. Now, Mercury is Karka of documents, relatives, business, and mentality. When Panchalaka is getting Veda by Mercury, then native may be getting happiness of relatives and family. Some sort of good event is possible. And native may getting success in intellectual work such as examination, writing, tricks, etc. Now native may be getting success in documents related works. He may be getting favor from government or support regarding some documentation, success in his business or trading activities. He may be getting relief from any sort of sickness, especially treated to three dosh. Native may be getting some sort of landed property. Now, if Mercury is malefic, then results may be opposite in nature and disappointed regarding our matters, such as setback in profession, sickness, stress, and unhappy events. Now, let's see what Jupiter Veda can offer to us. Now, Jupiter is natural beneficial planet and it is a Karka of growth, fortune, wealth, and success. So, Jupiter Veda on Panchalaka is always considered good. That time is considered fortunate period for native. Native may be getting financial gain. He may getting success in all his efforts. Native may be getting favor from government. Now time is starting regarding relief in life. Native may be enjoy peaceful and happiness in life. Native may be involved in religious and ritual ceremonies. He may also enjoy good health, may be getting promotion or success in his business, getting victory over litigation or war or dispute in very reputed ways. He or she may be getting support of elders or gurus. Native name and fame will also improve. Now, Venus Veda. Now again, Venus is a natural beneficial planet, so its Veda is considered very good. Now Venus is Karka of money, comfort of women, luxurious lifestyle. So Venus Veda is considered good regarding money matters and financial cash flow matters. So one can consider Venus Veda is good regarding money matters and financial cash flow matters. Here, native may be getting good opportunities and success in profit making, in professional achievements, comfort of wife and kids. Native may be fall in love. Now, if Venus is afflicted with natural malefic, then results may be negative, such as financial loss, dispute with women, or blaming through women. Now, the important planet Saturn, we all know that Saturn is the natural malefic planet. So, Veda of Saturn is considered harmful or bad. Now, Saturn is Karka of misfortune, sorrow, death, disease, etc. Now, Saturn is belong to air element. So, Saturn Veda may cause for health issues. Native may be suffering from sickness, fever, Vata related issues, joint pain or pain in body, blood pressure issues, etc. Now here, native may be suffering from depression also, mental stress, failure in his work or job or attempt. He or she may be facing sudden painful events or upset, may be facing issues with his enemies and does not getting support from his friends. Also facing demotion or loss of his status or defeat in any sort of litigation. Saturn Veda may also be offer suffering from financial loss, facing issues from his employees, and it may lead to cause for jail or such type of issues. Now let's see the Rahu Veda. Rahu is considered natural malefic planet. It may cause malefic Veda. Now Rahu is Karka of confusion, hypocrisy or uncertainty. Rahu Veda may cause for dispute, confusion, facing obstacle in his attempt or job for works. Native may has sudden death. Native may has sudden health related issues which is not easily catch up by doctor. It may cause for virus related issues. Native may be facing digestive issues, may be heart related issues, some sort of false blaming related to women, some sort of issues related to fire or thief, as facing may face accident or murder or fishing or frauds. Now, Ketu Veda, because Ketu is also a natural malefic planet, so its Veda is considered malefic. Ketu is Karka of cutting or mukti or separation or moksha. Now Ketu Veda may cause for accident or cutting or loss of blood. It may lead to a surgery also. The native may face body pain. It may cause for extreme panic or concentration, which may cause for high blood pressure or mental stress. Native may be facing disappointment in his effort, dispute with his near and dear, or one from wife is possible. Some sort of issues with government is also possible. Now, we have seen the Vedas of 9 planets on Panchalaka. Now, let's see what is the impact of Veda on Panchalaka, that is birth sign, birth nakshatra, birth tithi, birth vowels, and birth consonant. If one malefic is giving impact on one Panchalaka, then native may be facing failure in effort and suffering from dispute and confusion. Second, Panchalaka, then native may be facing fear and loss. And on if third Panchalaka, then defeat in litigation or issues and big financial loss and sickness. And on fourth Panchalaka, then serious illness and serious financial situations. And if on fifth Panchalaka, then death or death-like situation. Now if 2/3 or more malefic is given impact on Panchalaka, then negative results is more powerful. Listen again, if 2/3 or more malefic is giving impact on Panchalaka, then negative result is more powerful. Now results of malefic Veda on Panchalaka, one can observe. Now if sign, consider native may be facing obstacle. If on nakshatra, failure in attempts, confusion regarding taking action. Now if Veda on tithi, then fear, fire and danger. Veda on vowels, health issues. Veda on consonants leads to financial loss. Now Veda by 2 planet from 2 different stars is more powerful. It may be either good or bad. Now results of Veda of beneficial planet. Now one beneficial, then good time and improvement in health. 2 beneficial, then good fortune and financial gain and recovery from disease. 3 beneficial, then success, victory, promotion, huge financial gain and major growth of health. If 4 beneficial planet give Veda, then huge gain, success in all around and sound health. Now how the Veda working? Once a planet enter to a sign, then we can say events may occur soon. Or once a planet gives exact Veda on that Navamsha Pad, that is Nakshatra Pad, then events will be happening. Then when a planet is out from that nakshatra, then event is already happened and no other events regarding that nakshatra is happening. Now in Sarvato Bhadra Chakra, one Navtara concept is also there. Now Navtara concept is very important concept in astrology. Now here we are frequently use this in many parts of Vedic astrology, including Jatak, Horary and Murat part. Today I will try to make you understand the Navtara concept. Now as you know that total number of nakshatra is 27. Here we are excluding Abhijit nakshatra. So we can make 3 set of nakshatra of 9 nakshatra each. Because 9 planets are there and 1 planet has given lordship of 3 nakshatra. So first 10 and 19th number of nakshatra from the birth nakshatra is very sensitive area of native. Any malefic planet or beneficial planet transit or Veda to that nakshatra has direct impact on native. Beneficial planet transit or Veda over this nakshatra will indicating beneficial results as per as nature of planet. Malefic planet transit over natal planet may give health issues, stress and loss of health as per their natural signification. Now again counting from birth star, 2nd, 11th and 20th, that we call it Sampat. It has direct impact on native wealth and prosperity. Malefic planet transit or Veda on Sampat Nakshatra may cause financial issues or obstacles regarding making money. Here, beneficial planet transit or giving Veda on Sampat Tara will give financial gain. Now, 3rd, 12th and 21st nakshatra, which is known as Vipat nakshatra. It is considered malefic. Now, as the name indicate, sudden obstacles, negative events, just like Vipatti. Malefic planets transit or Veda in Vipattara is more malefic and may be considered dangerous. Even beneficial planet is not considered good, but not so much harmful. But native may be facing issues regarding that planet significations. Now 4th, 13th and 22nd nakshatra is known as Shama Tara. Now as the name indicate, it relates to comfort or well and fine condition of native. Now natural malefic planet giving Veda on this nakshatra will give issues regarding comfortable life of native. But when natural malefic beneficial planet transit to Shama Tara will improve native comfortable lifestyle. Now let's move to the next star that we can call is at Pratyari Tara. That is 5th, 14th and 23rd nakshatra from the birth star. It is considered worst star. Now as name indicate, it is consists from two words, Prati and Ari, that mean acts like enemies behind of native. It is cause for hidden enemies, loss or some close one can. It is cause for hidden enemies, loss or some close one cause harmful, and act like enemies of native. Behind the native, again natural malefic Veda on this planet will cause more harmful. Beneficial planet is also cause harmful. Beneficial planet acts just like a near one cheated the person. Now next one is Sadak Tara. That is 6th, 15th and 24th nakshatra. Now again the name indicates mean achievement or fulfill that desire or success with help of someone. Or we can say productive side of everything. It means needs effort and hard work to get success. Otherwise, no success means efforts then success. In this way, Sadak Tara is act. When any malefic giving Veda on Sadak Tara, then native may be facing issues regarding his efforts to get success in his work. Natural benefic planet is indicating native may be getting success and support regarding his efforts. Now come to the Naidan or Vad Tara. That is 7th, 16th and 25th in order of serial from the birth star. This Tara is known as Naidan or Maran or Vad Tara. It relates to loss of his existence. It is considered worst star. It may cause for major transformation in native life, especially in negative ways. Natural malefic planets giving Veda on Vad Tara may cause very harmful. It will cause for an obstacle just like mountains. Native may be facing huge financial loss or serious health related issues. Even natural beneficial planet may loss of insignificant. Now, second last one is the Mitra Tara. That's it. That is 8th, 70th, 17th and 26th nakshatra. It indicates friends who is supporting native. Now, natural beneficial planet may cause help through his friends. Natural malefic planets Veda may cause issues regarding getting help from his friends. Now the last one is 9th, 18th and 27th nakshatra, that is known as Ati Mitra or Param Mitra. Now, as one can see from the name that without it correlates with our dear and near one who will help native in any sort of matters. Now, natural beneficial planet giving Veda on Paramitra Tara is indicating native all sort of work will be done by help of his close friends. Now here natural malefic planet giving Veda on Paramitra Tara is indicating some sort of issues to his dear and near one. Even a near and dear one not able to help of native or some sort of dispute may start with his dear and near one. Now I can also in my another videos later on will show you the how the Veda will work. Now today I will just show you the Sarvadro Chakra on one software. This was the Sarvadro Chakra. The date is 15th April 2025 and time is 1:31:42. Now if these red planets, red color planets, they are the transit planet, and this blue color planets are the planets of the birth star. Now when this yellow color, as you have seen, that indicates the Tithi. It is Rikta Tithi, Bhadra, and these are the signs Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, and here are again the zodiac signs Navamsha, Pad. So Panchalaka is there. Now let's see the Veda of Moon. I placed here the mouse and I find that this yellow line giving the Veda, because Moon will never retrograde. So the Veda is on these three sides. Now if I consider the Veda of Rahu, so Rahu is with Saturn. So I place the mouse here, the Rahu. Now Rahu is giving Veda to the ascendant. So it is harmful. So this Sarvadro Chakra is very useful in predicting one's life, positive or negative results by the transiting of the planets on Panchalaka. These all we can see in our videos later on I will prepare. Hope the information whatever I provide, when you will listen carefully, you will find it more useful for your future prediction with the help of the transit of planet. If you find that the information what I have given to you is quite useful, please subscribe the channel, share it, like it, and also press the black bell icon so that you can get the notification of my another videos that will be coming in future on your mobile or on your laptop. Any query, welcome on the comment section. Thanking you.